This is the video guide about getting rid of the unwanted pop-ups by the website Adblock-instant.xyz. Adblock-instant.xyz is a really dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, Adblock-instant.com, tries to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions which may actually operate as adware or as browser hijackers. If you see these pop-ups by Adblock-instant.com, you need to disregard them and to leave this totally deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. Go to the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download button. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems including Mac OS, Windows, Android and iOS devices. So download the application, install it, and then start researching your system in order to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.